Let's see how Fishface does against a real turtle. Fishface is a street punk named Xever that use switchblades and small knives to fight the turtles. I think Xever is from the Caribbean because of his accent, but it fits good for his tropical fish theme. Piranha or like a Barracuda, but after seeing this photo, I was convinced that he was inspired from a Barracuda. That is a pretty scary looking fish. Out of the package, he's got a sword, kind of like a trident, and a switchblade that looks like it off the cartoon. For sure, so far, this is my favorite one of the figures from the new series. He's got that street shark look. I think Baxter Stockman in the new series makes these legs for him. He has these two bladders so he can fight the turtles on land, I guess. The color and everything reminds me of the fun of the old toy. His legs move up and down. His arms move pretty good. Really good looking detail on the face. There's not much mass to this figure, but I mean, he's half like Barracuda and Cyborg. The turtle's not really intimidated